In this video, we'll be discussing everything related to this toner, like what is biotic, what is PHA, and can we layer this with other actives in our skincare. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Hi, I'm Anusha and make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and food. If you are interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload. Without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Be Minimalist PHA 3% plus Biotic Toner. Before moving on to the review, I'll give you a quick brand summary. Be Minimalist is a new Indian brand. It has started in 2020. It has received so much attention from the Indian customers because of their packaging. The packaging is very similar to the Ordinary, so they have got a lot of attention and lot of hate also for copying the packaging, but they have handled it well, I think, and they have come up with their new packaging in a span of like within 1 month. They have come up with new packaging. So keeping that apart, actually their products are bomb. Like they work really well and their product formulations are so good. They work with BHAs, AHAs and peptide serums. Actually they might have increased the cost because Indian market lacked those kind of serums, the potent serums, AHAs, BHAs. It's for the quality of the product we are getting, like the amount we are paying. I feel it is really affordable. I give a thumbs up to Be Minimalist on that part. And yeah, all their products are free of 6 things. They are free of fragrance, silicones, parabens, essential oils, dyes and sulfates. Some of the people's skin is sensitive to fragrance and essential oils. Every time we need not check like whether your product have them or not. If you are buying from Be Minimalist, they are free from all these 6 things. That is a quick brand summary. Now moving on to this toner. Yes, now coming to the texture, it has kind of watery texture, not exactly like water but kind of water. Actually they will use aloe vera juice as base of their product, so people who are allergic to aloe vera juice cannot really use their products, but this does not contain any aloe vera juice. They have used aqua as base of the product, so water forms the base of product. So pretty much if you have allergy to aloe vera, then you can definitely try this product from Be Minimalist. It spreads very easily on the skin and it will absorb well into the skin. It will not leave any sticky or oily feeling on the skin. It retails for $3.99 for 150 ml of product. So this bottle will last you for a good period of time. And it comes with a shelf life of 18 months. So you can use this up to 18 months. Now coming to the packaging, it comes in plastic bottle with flip cap on the top. They have mentioned everything on the label that is attached to this bottle. You need not keep the carton that comes with this because the pricing, expiry date, ingredients, everything is mentioned on the bottle itself, which is very good because if you get any doubt, you need not go to the website or to the carton to check it. And now I'll explain what is PHA and what is biotic. I think I'll make a separate video on chemical exfoliation, but to brief you out, chemical exfoliation is nothing but exfoliating the top layer, means removing the dead skin cells on your skin with the help of a chemical. We have 2 types of exfoliations, physical exfoliation and chemical exfoliation. Physical exfoliation is nothing but the traditional how we scrub our face, like using walnut scrubs and all, that comes under physical exfoliation. But chemical exfoliation is you will use some type of chemical to exfoliate the skin. So there are 3 types of chemical exfoliants. One is AHA, the second one is BHA and third one is PHA. AHA are alpha hydroxy acids. They are water soluble. They work on the top layer of the skin. They remove the dead skin cells and any form of pigmentation. They work on pigmentation also. The second type is BHA. BHAs are beta hydroxy acids. They are oil soluble, so they penetrate very deep into the pores and they will clear out the sebum and dust which is trapped in the pores. So that is the function of your BHA. Now comes the PHA. PHA is nothing but they are next generation of AHAs. They function similar to AHA, but the only difference is that PHA has large molecular size. So they sit on the top of the skin for larger amount of time when compared to AHAs. when you apply AHAs, they work faster. So there is a chance to get irritation for the sensitive skin types when using AHAs. But PHAs are sensitive skin friendly because they have large molecular size and they take time to get moved into the skin and to exfoliate the skin. So they are more gentler when compared to AHAs. That is the briefing of PHA. I hope you understood what a PHA is. Next comes the term biotic. There are two types of biotics, prebiotics and probiotics. Probiotics are nothing but the good bacteria that support our skin microbiome. Now what is skin microbiome? See, this is our skin. This has a protective barrier, skin barrier, that protects our skin from external pathogens and irritants. So this skin barrier, it consists of microbiome. Microbiome is nothing but good bacteria, combination of good microbes that supports the function of skin barrier. So if you have good microbiome, they will support the skin barrier. So if you have good skin barrier, it will protect our skin from the external irritants, pollutants and external bad bacteria that may affect our skin. So if the skin microbiome is disturbed, your skin barrier will get disturbed, resulting in external irritants causing acne, breakouts on your skin. To avoid that, probiotics are a good addition to your skin. Now probiotics are good bacteria that supports the already existing bacteria or microbes in the microbiome of our skin. Now they have to feed on something to survive. So they will feed on prebiotics. So prebiotic is nothing but the food that our probiotics eat. So prebiotics support probiotic function. Now coming to the ingredients list, we have 43 ingredients in total. The first one is aqua, which obviously forms the base of the product. Then they have added niacinamide and salicylic acid to help with the cleaning of pores. Actually, niacinamide is multifunctional ingredient. It is a star ingredient in itself. It helps with the pigmentation, acne, and soothing of the skin, hydration, and reducing wrinkles and fine lines. So we have actually niacinamide in the third position. After PHA, we have niacinamide, so it is somewhere near to 3% in this formulation, which is like very good. Next, we have one PHA, that is gluconolactone. The PHA they have added in this formulation is gluconolactone. Actually, this PHA is act as humectant also, so it provides good hydration to the skin. Then we have three skin soothers like cucumber fruit extract, panthenol and allantoin. They have included 11 humectants in this formulation, so obviously it is very hydrating. The important ones being glycerin, sodium hyaluronate and butylene glycol are some of the humectants. Then we have one prebiotic and one probiotic. The probiotic they have used is Lactococcus ferment lysate. I hope I am pronouncing it correctly. Next, the prebiotic, that is the food to probiotic that they have included is inulin. Then we have 17 amino acids. Amino acids are very good for skin health because number one, they are good humectants, so they hold water onto the skin. And number two, they are good antioxidants, so they protect our skin from free radical damage. And number three, they boost collagen synthesis in the skin because amino acids, a group of amino acids form peptides. Peptides are nothing but building blocks of collagen in the skin. Collagen is responsible for that plumped and younger looking skin. Once we start aging, our skin produces less collagen and the quality of the collagen also reduces with age. So whenever the quality deteriorates, it results in wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So if we include amino acids in our skincare, they will boost the formation of the collagen in our skin. So they reduce the formation of fine lines and wrinkles on our skin. 6 ingredients to maintain the formulation of this product and preservatives basically. So coming to the application part, after cleansing your face, you have to apply this product. You can directly put it in your palm and dab it into the skin. It is a leave-on product, you need not wash it off. Then before going on to applying another products, you have to just wait for 5 to 10 minutes because it is a chemical exfoliant and it will take time to work. So you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes before moving on to the next product. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can continue with your normal skincare routine, whatever you are using. They have mentioned that you can use it both AM and PM, but it is at the end of the day PHA is chemical exfoliant, so I do not prefer it using AM and PM. I only use it once a day, that is PM. It is leave-on product, not rinse-off product. Can you layer active with this? Yes, you can pretty much layer any active with this, but if you are using very high potent actives, then just do a patch test. Because it is chemical exfoliant, you can do a patch test, because they but PHAs are very milder, so you can pretty much layer anything with it with this. So coming to my experience, I have been using this product from a month, and can you see only this much product? I am able to finish this much. So it will last me for around 5 to 6 months easily. I am using this product only in the evenings. So for the price you are paying and considering the longevity, it is a very good product. And I have actually small bumps on my cheeks, and this product, after like 3 weeks of application, it has considerably reduced the appearance of that small bumps, and the skin feels smoother with this. It is like very soothing and hydrating. Like after applying this product, you can feel that hydrating and soothing effect on the skin. So I see this more like a soothing and hydrating product rather than a chemical exfoliant. So I just love this product. I will continue using this. I definitely recommend this if you are looking for good barrier supportive products, skin barrier supporting products that gives that little bit of chemical exfoliation effect. Then you can definitely go for this. Yeah, I hope I have covered all the aspects regarding this toner. If I have missed out on something, please let me know in the comment section. I'll reply you from there. Yeah, we'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.